Ever wondered what kind of military-grade gear civilians can actually use to stay prepared, safe, and efficient in everyday life or extreme situations? Today, we're diving into incredible tactical military gadgets designed for civilians, starting with some of the best survival tools you can get your hands on. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos packed with useful gear and tips. Let's kick things off with these game-changing essentials. First on the list is the Cold Steel Bushman Survival Knife. This isn't just your average knife, it's a survival powerhouse. Crafted with a robust 6-inch high-carbon steel blade, it's razor sharp and incredibly durable, perfect for chopping wood, preparing food, or crafting shelter materials. The handle is made of textured kraton, giving you a rock-solid grip, even in wet or muddy conditions. Next up, the RKR Outdoor Pharaoh Rod Flint Fire Starter Kit is a must-have if you want to master fire in any environment. Forget the hassle of matches or lighters that fail in rain or wind. And this kit uses a ferrocerium rod to create sparks hot enough to ignite tinder almost instantly. Included with the rod is a sturdy striker and durable paracord, ensuring you can start a fire even in harsh conditions. It's compact and lightweight, so slipping it into your pack won't weigh you down. Whether you're a camper, survivalist, or prepping for emergencies. Finally, the MaxEdition Havoc 2 Tactical Backpack is the perfect companion for those who want organization and durability on the go. This backpack is crafted from tough, water-resistant nylon that can take a beating from rain dirt or rough handling. Its multiple compartments and MOLLE webbing allow you to customize your loadout, keeping your gear organized and easy to reach. The padded back panel and ergonomic straps provide comfort during long hauls, whether you're hiking a trail or navigating city streets. With a sleek tactical look and practical design, the Havoc 2 balances style and utility for any mission. The real Avid AR-15 tool is a must-have for firearm owners or enthusiasts. This compact, multifunctional gadget is designed specifically for AR-15 rifles, helping with everything from disassembly to maintenance. It includes essential tools like punches, screwdrivers, and wrenches, all packed into one convenient design. No more scrambling for a toolbox when you need to clean or fix your rifle on the go. Its rugged build ensures it withstands field use and helps keep your weapon in top shape. For anyone serious about firearm upkeep, the real Avid AR-15 tool is an absolute game changer. The WTackful tactical gloves combine durability and dexterity in one sleek package. Made with reinforced knuckles and breathable materials, these gloves protect your hands during outdoor activities, tactical operations, or even motorbiking. They offer excellent grip control thanks to their anti-slip palm design, which means you can handle weapons or tools confidently without losing sensitivity. Comfortable for long wear, they're also touchscreen compatible, so you won't miss a beat on your devices. Whether you're on a mission or just want robust hand protection, these gloves are designed to keep you agile and safe. The HRT Maximus Placard is a compact and lightweight chest rig that really shines when you need quick access to your gear. It's made from tough materials and designed to keep everything secure, but easy to reach. What's cool is how customizable it is. You can add pouches or attachments to fit whatever you want to carry, whether that's magazines, first aid kits, or tools. Plus, it has a breathable mesh backing to keep things comfortable and cool. When it comes to footwear, the Free Soldier men's tactical boots are built tough to handle all kinds of terrain. They're waterproof, lightweight, and offer great ankle support so your feet stay protected, whether you're hiking through mud or walking city streets. If you're looking for a practical yet tough everyday tool, the Gerber Gear Impromptu Tactical Pen is worth checking out. It's not just a pen, it's also designed for self-defense and emergency situations, made from aircraft-grade aluminum. You can use it to write smoothly, but if things get serious, it can break glass or even help protect you. The FENIX GL19R rechargeable weapon light is one of those gadgets that really makes a difference when you need reliable light on your handgun. What's cool is that it's rechargeable, so no more fumbling for batteries or worrying about replacements. It's built tough to handle recoil and rough use, so it won't quit on you when it counts. If you're looking for something smaller than a full backpack, but still want to carry a good amount of gear, the 5.11L V10 Sling Pack is a great choice. You sling it over your shoulder, and it stays super comfortable while giving you quick access to everything inside. It's made from durable, water-resistant fabric, so it's ready to take on rain or rough conditions. Plus, with all the compartments and mullet webbing, the Teslong TTS 260 Thermal Monocular is seriously next level when it comes to seeing in the dark. Instead of just night vision, it uses thermal imaging to spot heat signatures, so you can see people or animals even through fog or smoke. It's lightweight and easy to handle, with a clear screen that makes spotting things super easy. Whether you're hunting, on security duty, or just want to be more aware of what's around you at night, this device is a total game changer. The Helicon Tech's tactical hoodie light is way more than just a hoodie. It's lightweight and breathable, so it keeps you comfortable whether you're layering it on a cool day or wearing it solo when it's warmer out. What really makes it stand out are the smartly placed pockets. Perfect for stashing your phone, keys, or any small gear you want to keep close. Plus, it's made from tough, durable fabric that can handle a bit of rough and tumble. The Byrna Ballistapac 3 Plus is a pretty clever self-defense option for anyone who wants serious protection without going lethal. It shoots non-lethal projectiles designed to stop threats quickly but without causing permanent injury, which makes it ideal if you're concerned about safety but want to keep things responsible. It's lightweight and compact enough to carry around without feeling like extra baggage, so it's great for city streets or outdoor adventures. The M48 Liberator trench blade has that classic rugged look, but with modern durability built in. Inspired by trench knives from way back, it's made for serious close-up survival work, cutting through rope, chopping wood, or prying open crates. The blade is super sharp and tough enough to handle heavy-duty tasks, while the handle offers a solid grip that won't slip even when your hands are sweaty or wet. Whether you're a survival enthusiast or just want a reliable knife that's as cool as it is functional, the M48 combines heritage and performance in a way that's hard to beat. The Parapactum Bulletproof umbrella is exactly what it sounds like. A regular umbrella that's anything but ordinary. It looks sleek and stylish, but behind that is a reinforced bulletproof canopy designed to protect you in dangerous situations. Perfect for city dwellers who want to stay low-key, but be ready for anything. The Olight Warrior X Turbo is a beast of a tactical flashlight that's built to shine bright and last long. It pumps out an insane amount of light, enough to temporarily blind an attacker or light up a whole dark area. It's tough too, waterproof and shock resistant, so you can count on it in all kinds of conditions. The grip feels solid in your hand, and it's designed for quick activation when you need it most. Whether you're on a night hike, patrolling, the Hogue EXF03 combat knife is a sleek, no-nonsense knife that's designed to handle whatever you throw at it. Its hawkbill-shaped blade is perfect for cutting tasks that require precision and control, like slicing through tough materials or even self-defense if needed. The handle is comfortable and gives you a solid grip, even when things get slippery. It's compact enough to carry daily, but tough enough for serious work, making it a favorite for folks who want reliability without bulk. The Atomic Bear SWAT knife is exactly the kind of rugged, dependable knife you want in your survival kit. It combines a sharp, serrated edge with a sturdy stainless steel blade, built for both cutting and piercing. The handle feels ergonomic and gives you excellent control no matter the task. It's great for everything from outdoor adventures to emergency situations where a reliable blade is a must-have. That's it for these 20 amazing tactical gear picks for civilians. If you liked any of these, check the links below to learn more. Don't forget to like, comment which one you'd grab, and subscribe for more gear and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and stay ready out there.